Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video. Today I create this very simple dripping effect in 5.1 Niagara and I will create it from scratch so you can understand better. And if you have an query, just comment below the video. And if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. If you like this video, like, share, and comment. And let's start this. So first we need a base of splatter texture. So in Photoshop, I will just take a new uh, document, 1K, and just make it black. And then you can turn on the grid. Control H is the shortcut. Okay, and if you don't know how to set up, you can go to preference and there's a guideline, so you can set up here. So every 256 pixels I have a one grid. Okay, so in the new level, why I'm using this grid, because I have this center, so I know this is the center, so I will just make a mark here. So this is will be a center of my texture. Now you can control H and you know that this is your document center, right? So now what I'll do, I'll just take texture a pencil and just make some like this type of bigger dots, then some smaller dots,